Hello there. This is a very important time of year, and this year we're under exceptional and very unusual circumstances. My name is Ollie Bonham. I'm president of CFES this year, and I wish to extend to all of you season's greetings and happy holidays. I also want to take this opportunity to thank many people, in particular all our volunteer directors and other volunteers within CFES who've allowed us to work away at all kinds of things regardless of the circumstances through this year. I want to extend greetings to all our member associations and all their respective volunteers right across Canada, across geoscience. Stay safe and stay well, and we look forward to being back involved with each other through next year with the developments with respect to vaccines. Hopefully we will be able to be back to our normal formats in the not too distant future. But in the meantime, please stay safe and please stay well. Take care.
Hello everyone, my name is Beth McLarty Halfkenny and I am your CFES Outreach Director. I'm here to tell you about a free virtual workshop happening in January between the 10th and the 15th, put on by the U.S. National Committee for the Geological Sciences. It's entitled America's GeoHeritage, Identifying, Developing, and Preserving America's Natural Legacy. Although the workshop is focusing on geoheritage issues in the U.S., we have been encouraged to participate and share ideas. You will need to register by the 18th of December, and a link to all the information you need and a registration page will be in this newsletter. Additionally, there will be a link to a series of webinars that took place this fall associated with this geoheritage initiative in the U.S., and it may be of interest to some people in your organization. I hope to see some of you at the workshop in January, and in the meantime, I hope everyone has a really wonderful holiday.
And lastly, I'm Rachel Newrick, CFES President-elect. I'd like to bring you some additional reminders and notifications from our member organisations and from CFES itself. Firstly, the Canadian Society of Exploration Geophysicists would like to remind you that they have a mentoring initiative, and if they haven't contacted you already, they will be doing so shortly. Have a look at the November coffee chat for details. They're also hosting a virtual lecture series in February next year, so please see the CFES website, the news section, for details on that. You can follow the links through to the CSEG. I'm especially excited to listen to the talk from Amanda Hall on energy innovation, combating everydayisms. Amanda made a great journey from geophysicist to CEO of a nanotech company, so it's a good story. The other thing we'd like to bring your attention to is the Canadian Geological Foundation have opened grants for 2021. They issue over $175,000 in grants every year, and the upcoming deadline is March 31st for next year, so get that together. The CFES is now open the Mentorship Medal, and if you know of a great mentor, someone who's mentored you, a colleague who's mentoring someone else, please get the nominations in to fill in. The deadline for that is January 15, so you need to get on that quite quickly. Again, details are on the CFES website, this time under Awards, Mentorship Medal. And for the 9 to 14-year-old in your life, the WHERE Challenge is now open. This is a fabulous challenge that encourages kids to take everyday objects and then to work out where all the constituent parts came from. They can make a movie, they can write a poem, they can do a cartoon, they can portray it in any way they want. And the where is referring to all the different locations where geologists, geophysicists, geoscientists in general work. I'm excited because this year, for the first time, schools in the Crow's Nest Pass, where I live, are participating, and that's because I've promoted it locally. I encourage you to also promote it locally through your kids or directly make a cold call to the school and get kids all the way across Canada involved. Look at last year's or the year before entries. They're fantastic. Again, for this, the deadline is March 4th. Lots of time to get involved, and you can find details on the CFES website. Thank you for taking your time to enjoy your coffee with me today. I don't have one in hand, but I hope you do. Along with Ollie, Beth, the entire board, I wish you a wonderful holiday season. We're all looking forward to 2021.